Hello, fourth grade. How's everybody doing? I sure do miss your faces, but we have enjoyed our little Zoom meetings that we've been able to have and to be able to keep up with some of you guys through the computer. So hang in there. We will continue doing our online classes until things get a little bit better in our nation. So praying for you guys. We're just going to go over our new spelling words for the week. And I wanted something new this week in the spelling assignment for LMS is a unit called Spelling Games. I've posted it this week and it'll be on the LMS for the rest of the school year because one thing I want you to do this week, instead of ABC order, you notice I didn't put that on as an assignment this week. So just for this week, to replace that assignment, I want you to do one of these spelling games that is posted in this unit. Give it a try. You can try more than one, but I want you to use this as a tool to help you practice spelling your words correctly. All right? So give that a try. It's under the unit Spelling Games, which you'll find under the subject Spelling. So give that a try. And then this week's words are list 30 in your book. List 30, page 34. So everybody turn to page 34 in your spelling book, list 30. And for the test this week, we're going to do the same thing. You pick your own 15 of the spelling words that you want to do, and then we're going to do all of the vocab words. So on your test, you're going to write those out and then put either a synonym, an antonym, or a description. And you have to identify what you are doing, okay? Now remember, if you're choosing synonym and antonym, then I'm looking for just one word to go with your spelling word. If you're choosing to do a description, it can be more than one word. So keep that in mind. Some of you've gotten a little mixed up on it, but for the most part, you're doing fantastic in spelling. So keep it up, boys and girls. All right, number 1 on list 30 is fascinate. Fascinate. All right. Number 2, improvement. Improvement. Number 3, frontier. Frontier is how you say that. Number 4, occurred. Occurred. This is past tense of the word occur, which is like a thought that comes to you, something you might remember, okay? Number 5, immovable. Immovable is something that you cannot move. It's permanent, okay? Like maybe your house, even though they actually do move houses these days. Number 6, interview. Interview, something each of you will have one day when you get a little older and you apply for your first job. You will have an interview. Number 7, surveyor. Surveyor. Now this is a type of work. It is a person. This is a noun. A surveyor is a person that surveys. Okay, they have some instruments, some tools that they use to look through, and they survey a piece of land. They get the size of the land, where the boundary markers are. They figure all that out with their instruments and tools. Number 8, squirming. Squirming. Number 9, thirsty. Thirsty. Number 10, permission. Permission. Notice the double consonants, okay? Some of these words that we have this week have double consonants in them. Number 11, Wyoming. Wyoming. Number 12, Utah. Utah. Now, I'm not going to give you the capitals this week, But I do want to still encourage you to find out those capitals because you will get extra credit on your test if you write those in. Number 13, beautiful, beautiful. Number 14, signature, signature. Excuse me. Number 15, inexpensive. This is the opposite of expensive. Okay, I probably just gave you an answer for your test. Hint, hint. Inexpensive means it's not an expensive item. 16, representative, representative. 17, material, material. 18, adventure. We are all on an adventure with this quarantine, aren't we? Number 19, majestic, majestic. I like to think of something that's like royalty or majestic. Some mountains can be majestic. God is majestic. 20, presence, presence. Now, notice the spelling of this. This is not presents like gifts that you receive or that you give. This is your presence in a room, whether you are there or not there, okay? Number 21 is drought. 22, essential. 23, previous. 24, notable. We pronounce that notable. The root word is note, but you drop that silent E when you add A-B-L-E on the end. So that is notable. 25, elevate. 26, justified. 27, martyr. Martyr is how you pronounce that word. 28, magnify. 29, annex. Annex. And 30, vary. And this is different than we had a very good time on the field trip. This is a little different, and you can look at the definition of that word there in your book. So those are this week's spelling words, and I hope you have fun with some of the spelling games this week. And do your best, boys and girls. That's all Miss Holloway and I expect. Do your best. We love you, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.